Here is the main entrance into our humble abode. Let's go see how it looks.
After you.
Oh, thank you. All right. So we are entering our lounge area and ta-da! Okay, I'll start.
Okay, go for it.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Welcome back to our channel. We are Ruth and Thomas. You probably know us by now.
I hope.
We are the date mates. And we're coming at you with date idea number 4. Can't believe it's already 4 already.
I know, it feels like we're on 5.
I feel like it's longer than that, but anyway, I'm super excited about this one.
Yeah.
Are you excited about this?
I am, because this was integral to my childhood.
Yeah, it was to mine too, really. Okay, so Valentine's Day is tomorrow, if you don't know that. And we were thinking, what is like something romantic we could do, but cheap?
Because we don't have
just
a
bought
lot
a
of
house.
money.
And we were thinking back to our childhoods and how much fun it was to make pillow forts.
Yeah.
Like big pillow forts.
Big pillow fort.
Like epic ones. I had 4 siblings, and it's hard to make a small pillow fort that'll fit 5 kids.
Yeah. Oh, I bet you made some awesome ones with
They
5
were
kids.
so epic. And we had pool cues, so we'd stand them up like in the middle, and that would be like the tent base for our structure.
Nice. Well, I was an only child, so I didn't have siblings to play with in my pillow forts. But we actually had this tradition. My family and I traveled a lot, and you probably don't even know this, but we stayed in hotels a lot, and we would all stay in one room. So my parents and I would be in the same room, and I would always like have to go to bed early, and my parents would want to stay up and watch TV, right? So we came up with this solution. I think my dad came up with this, but he would make me a pillow fort every time we stayed in a hotel room. So over my bed, he would build a pillow fort so that I could go to sleep and my parents could stay up and watch TV.
So was it like a real pillow fort, like just a stack of pillows that you slept under?
He'd put like chairs on the bed.
Wow,
And
on the
then,
bed?
Put the bed sheet over it.
That doesn't seem stable.
Well, I don't know, he'd make it like super cool every time.
That's a wizard.
And it was just like, I don't know, it was like the most exciting part of going to hotels was getting to stay in my little pillow fort. Anyway, so pillow forts just have kind of like a...
Sentimental?
Yeah, a soft spot in my heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want to explain kind of what we're going to do for this date?
Yeah, so for this date, we're going to be constructing a pillow fort, and we're going to challenge you guys to outdo us. We've got some epic things and ideas up our sleeve, but we really want this to be something that you try at home and share photos of and videos and really try to outdo us. We're going to do hashtag Pillow Fort Challenge 2020.
Yeah, make it a thing. Hashtag Pillow Fort Challenge.
So this date is one that you can do at home. It's free, and it's going to take roughly 2 to 4 hours. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, and in addition to just building the pillow fort, we're also going to sleep over in it. So that's where like the slumber party part comes in. And how romantic is that for Valentine's Day? A sleepover in your pillow fort.
That's really precious.
Anyway, we're going to get started on building. So we're going to try to do a little time lapse.
That's right.
So you can follow along and see how it goes. We really don't have any plans yet. We're going to be dreaming it up as we go.
Yeah, we have to clear out this whole space and reimagine everything.
I'm so excited. Pillow Fort!
Pillow Fort Challenge 2020. Ow!
Oh my gosh, guess what we just found in our basement. We just moved here a couple months ago, and so the previous owner left a bunch of stuff in the basement. We haven't really gone through it. But Thomas just pulled it out, and we found
a teepee.
An actual teepee.
It's a real teepee.
It's legit. Too legit to quit.
Yeah.
So we are most definitely going to use this as part of our pillow fort.
It's gonna for sure be incorporated somehow.
All right, let's transform this place. Okay, we're gonna take a break and keep working on this for probably an hour or so, and then we'll update you on how far we've come.
3 hours later.
Okay, we're finally done, and we are ready to give you the grand tour.
That's right, that's right.
I think it turned out pretty good.
It's held together with rubber bands and buttons and pins, but I think it turned out
Oh my gosh,
fantastically.
it's so fragile. Like you can't breathe on it. Okay, so here is the main entrance into our humble abode. Let's go see how it looks.
After you.
Oh, thank you. All right. So we are entering our lounge area, and ta-da!
That's it.
So we used that teepee that we found in the basement. It turned out to make an awesome addition
Oh yeah.
to our little
Castle.
castle. Yeah, that's a good word for it.
So this is our bedroom, and then over here we have our lounging area for when you have guests and you would like to entertain. Please come on in. And then the best part, Ruth hasn't even showed you yet, is
We set up our 10-foot projector screen because everyone needs a 10-foot projector screen.
in their pillow fort.
And we'll be watching a film on it tonight.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yay.
And it comes equipped with starlight up above. Here, I'll turn on the twinkle.
Oh,
We installed some Christmas lights to hang over it. There we go. So now it really feels like you're
like
underneath
a
the
real
night
starry night. Oh, that's cute.
sky. Yeah,
Good job.
pretty proud of it.
Yeah, I think it turned out really well.
Yeah, and we've got little seating areas, like that one over there.
Thomas made us a nice pasta dinner that we're going to enjoy.
Yes.
And we're just gonna have a relaxing evening in our pillow fort castle tent. It kind of feels like we're glamping out in like the Sahara or something. I don't know, I just get that vibe.
Yeah.
Makes me want to go camp in a desert sometime.
Yeah. I like the drapery with the curtains, and it feels very Middle Eastern.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's Day, hon.
Thank you. How fun. We get to be kids again for a night.
Yeah, this is a great Valentine's Day.
Okay, time to eat.
Time to eat. Do be careful, the plates are hot. All right, Ruthus.
The work is done and now we get to enjoy.
First bite, you're gonna have to tell me how it is.
What'd you make for us tonight?
All right, it is gluten-free pasta with tomatoes and broccoli and I don't remember.
Do you have a name for it?
I have a name for it. It is Valentine's Day Pasta Medley.
Oh, wow.
That's good.
Yeah.
Not bad.
What are your thoughts?
Pretty good. Thank you so much for making dinner.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Very welcome indeed.
Cheers.
Cheers to Valentine's Day. Clink.
Alright, dinner was amazing. And now we are gonna watch Killers, is what we decided on.
Because I've never seen it. Ruth has, and she recommended it. Said it was Oscar-worthy performances by Heigl and Kutcher. So.
That's definitely not what I said. Also, it got like a whopping 10% on Rotten Tomatoes.
And it's got Tom Selleck in it.
So, our expectations are low. But I think it'll be fun anyway, and we're gonna have some chocolate and wine and just enjoy a lovely evening.
Dessert time.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Today,
I got something right
ew,
now. We found a full TP.
we found a teepee. Ew, do you call it TP?
Oh no, I said TP. I meant to say TP. I said TP, but I meant to say TP. Did that work? And over here we have our Camp Eagle button pin.
It's literally holding this entire thing together.
Yes. And around the backside here we have Ruth's name tag that is doing the same thing. It is crucial to the structural integrity of our castle here. So I'm gonna go get a rubber band.
I feel like there's something else I wanted to say.
Oh my gosh, how much are you pouring me?
Well, this one's for me, that one's yours.
Oh.
Why, hello.
Cute suit jammas.
Thank you, thank you.
Is it recording? I don't know.